In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Language Translate extension in Mozilla Firefox browser. If you frequently visit websites in different languages, adding a translation extension to Firefox can make your browsing experience much more convenient. A translation extension allows you to quickly translate web pages, text, and content from other languages directly within your browser. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Google Language Translate extension to Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. To begin, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window where you'll find the extensions icon. This area gives you access to the extensions currently available in your browser, as well as options for discovering new ones. Click on the extensions icon to open the extensions menu. After the menu appears, scroll through the available options until you see Find More Add-ons. This option takes you to Firefox's extension marketplace, where you can browse and search for tools that add new features to your browser. Once you're on the add-ons page, locate the search bar and type Google Translate. After entering the search term, review the results and find the Google Language Translate extension that you'd like to add to Firefox. When you've found the extension, open its page to view additional information. Here, you'll be able to see details about the extension, its features, and how it integrates with Firefox. To continue, click the Add to Firefox button. Firefox will then display a confirmation prompt asking whether you'd like to add the extension to your browser. Click Add to confirm your selection. Firefox will then automatically add the extension and make it available for use. After the process is complete, you should be able to see the translation extension among your Firefox extensions. Depending on your browser layout, the extension may appear directly in the toolbar or inside the extensions menu. From there, you can access it whenever you need to translate text or web pages while browsing. Having a translation extension available can be especially useful when reading articles, researching information from international sources, or communicating across different languages. It provides a quick and convenient way to understand content without having to leave the page you're viewing. That's all there is to it. By adding the Google Language Translate extension to Firefox, you'll have an easy way to translate content directly within your browser whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,